Nature Girl. A girl walks into the woods. She's wearing a black top, a black skirt, fishnets, and black boots that make her a foot taller. She has on a purple backpack. She walks into the woods, down a path she's walked down before. She continues walking down the path until she finds the perfect spot. The sun sets, the moon appears, full, bright, completely noticeable. She lays her backpack down. She takes out some candles, places them around her in a circle. She sits in the circle. She closes her eyes and sits there. She takes a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. She starts to chant, calling upon the gods, begging them to appear before her. Nothing. There's silence. Suddenly, the wind blows. A small breeze. She opens her eyes. Small orbs of light surround her, floating all around like fireflies. She smiles. She feels it. She's become the grass, become the trees, become the air, become the earth. She stands up, still smiling, under the moonlight. She's become the woods. She's become nature. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.